loves, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing Belle from Beauty and the Beast. Imagine she was attacked by the beast and she's now slowly turning into one herself. I'm not using any prosthetics today, it will all be scar wax. And it's my first time doing something this big in scar wax only, so let's hope and pray. I'm applying a layer of spirit gum all over the places where I want to apply the scar wax. Then I leave it to dry a bit until it feels super tacky, and then it's time to apply. I mixed some regular scar wax with a little bit of red pigment and it got this color. This as the inside of the wounds. You can directly stick it onto the spirit gum and then use a spatula to smooth it out. If you want it to be super smooth, I advise you to take a little bit of oil or Vaseline to rub it on top, but I really wanted to have some structure as it is the inside of the wound. I found these resin teeth on Amazon and I'm just sticking it into the scar wax. Super easy, you don't have to use some extra glue. Now I'm creating the outer borders of the wounds and I'm just using the scar wax in flesh tone for this. I rolled it in little sausages and then pressed it on the edges of the wound. This time I am using a little bit of castor oil to soften up the borders and make it as smooth as possible. Once everything is as you like it, you can seal it with a little bit of liquid latex. This will make the scar wax stay put where you placed it, and you can now start painting on top of it. Apply a little bit of powder once it has dried and you're ready to go. And you may have noticed some extra addition in the teeth area. Those are the two bigger beast teeth that are coming through the skin as well. I'm adding oranges and reds on the outer corners of the wounds to make it look like the skin is really distressed. On the inside, I'm going in with darker shades of red, maybe a little black on the outer sides to make it look more deep. Then I keep going back and forth with darker shades and lighter shades until I have the desired effect. And then I go over it with a little bit more splattering in the end. I'm using my Skin Illustrator alcohol palette. I'm mixing the SFX palette and the flesh tone palette. I also added a werewolf lens to my one eye to show that she is in transition. Of course, some runny mascara because she was crying. Who would not cry looking like that? Ew. Finishing off with blood, of course, and I'm using the Belle Fresh Scab Blood. This is an excellent wound filler as it stays put. It sticks inside the wounds, and then I use some thick blood to go over it and make some drops and splatters. Because she was just viciously attacked by a beast and that shouldn't be this neat. If your costume is a rental, I would check if your blood is washable. And here she is, Beauty, not so beautiful anymore, attacked by the beast and now turning into one. Bye!